Hey guys, I'm just about to go on a call with a client. It's that time of year, kids are going back to school, parents are kind of getting back into a structure, and between September and December we get a lot of calls for renovations. But I just want to make sure and help you understand kind of what the most important thing is when you're calling a contractor for your project. Now everyone thinks it's getting a price or an estimate, and that's further from the truth. So what I want you to concentrate on is when you talk to a contractor, there's the other two P's, and that's the process and the plan. Without a proper process or a plan, your price doesn't matter. You can get a price today, but I can guarantee you if the company doesn't have a good process in place and really emphasizes the planning stages of your project, that price is going to change. So it's kind of think in reverse. You don't want to think about what your project's going to cost today. You want to interview a few companies to ask them, what kind of processes do they have in place, and what does their planning look like to ensure you get the proper price. If you ever have questions, direct message us at any time, but we wish you luck, and we hope that if you do have a project that's coming up, that everything goes well. Again, we're here to help at any time. Thanks, guys.